Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSaved.com. We are back in Las Vegas and it is a beautiful day here at the Venetian property. As you know, it's one of my favorites and I'm so excited to share with you this room 10509 in the South Tower. This is a garden patio room and we love these rooms. I'm going to show you why in a minute. This is a 2-queen room, and as you might know, every room at the Venetian is a suite. They have the step-down living room area, which we love. That sofa in there is a sofa sleeper, which makes this great for families, business travel, whatnot. This nice big area to work in. They fully stock these rooms with snacks and drinks. You will get charged if you take any of the drinks out of the fridge, and they are expensive, but it is still fully stocked. So because there are so many other options for bringing food and drink back to your room, they also provide you with an empty fridge, which is great. So you can do that and enjoy your little area right here. Again, I love this sitting area. It makes it so nice to kind of divide up your sleep space with your living space. And then of course, my favorite thing about these patio rooms here in the South Tower on the 10th floor is that you have this little private patio area, which is so fantastic. It sits right outside the garden pool area, which is the smaller pool deck here at the Venetian. They have a much larger one over on the 3rd and 4th floors in the North Tower. But right here on the 10th floor is this wonderful secret garden pool area is what we call it. I'll link to that down below so you can get a better look at it. I'll take you later in this video to show you how we like to sneak out of this little room every morning to go sit in the hot tubs and enjoy that whole pool area. But again, this room is very much like many of the rooms here at the Venetian. They do such a great job of making you feel like you're on a little luxury vacation. They take such good care of you, and they have all the amenities and things to make you feel just super pampered on your stay. I love the bathrooms here. They're super bright and clean. Love how the toilet area closes off. You have your double sinks, wonderful bathtub, and then their showers are probably the best showers I've had in Vegas. They're truly amazing, really good. Again, here's a peek at this room area. I will leave details down below to this room and many, many other rooms here at the Venetian property and in Las Vegas. Okay, so next I want to show you just how close we are to the pool deck here in this room, room 10509. Right around the corner in the hallway is this entrance into the garden pool area. This is a huge area surrounded by buildings, very private. You can see our room right there. And it comes out into this actually quite large pool area. There's several pools, a couple hot tubs. It's just much more private than the main pool deck area, which has like 17 pools. Like, it's crazy. But this one is more secluded, more quiet and private. I have a full walkthrough video link that I will drop down below, along with tons of other Venetian tips and tricks. But as you can see, lots of seating here. A lot of people get out right here first thing in the morning and save their pool chairs. We like to come down first thing in the morning, sit in the hot tubs, but as you can see, again, super secluded, never seems too busy or overly crowded, especially if you can get down here early. You have these wonderful little hot tub areas, just again, very relaxing, very secluded, and it just makes this such a fun place to stay. Normally, we stay on the North Tower side, but again, this side is just great if you're looking for a little bit more R&R, and this tower, the South Tower, is quite easy to reach. It's right off of the main lobby. A lot of people don't like the elevator system on the South Tower side, but if you're on the 10th floor, it's really, really easy. So we'll walk back in here where we just came out. Again, just look at how beautiful this area is, all tucked in here inside all of the Venetian buildings. We're going to walk right back in here to show you just how close the room is, right just inside. From here, we're going to go over to the Canyon Ranch Spa level, where we love this breakfast place called Truth and Tonic. Kind of a little, you have to weave through the Venetian property to get to it, but it is over on the fitness center climbing wall area of the Canyon Ranch Spa, and it is fabulous. Like, if you like clean eating and healthy food, look at this. Oh, so good. I had the avocado toast. My daughter had the breakfast sandwich. You can't go wrong, especially if you're looking for good, clean, healthy food in Las Vegas. One of our favorites. Again, as I mentioned, I have tons and tons of Las Vegas and Venetian videos. I'll link to those down below. Let me know if you have questions. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSafe.com.